Hi, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to assign tests and kind of check how student progress was doing once you assign those tests. In the Map Skills site, I found it's a good way to enrich my students that were doing well on their assessments and their MIT graded assignments and remediate for my kids that are in content win sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the demo account, and that's just capital D 1234, and the password is the same. And you just click login. And I'm using the demo account because they have more data to kind of show you everything there. So to do an assignment, you go and you click create assignment. And then I'm going to click the one I've been working with right here, Felicia Mack. These are just made up students. So you're going to click that, and then you go to, this is where your class would come up, but since it's just a sample class, there's one class there. I'm going to do a vocabulary one this time. And then you go to Skills Locator, and you can choose the strand you're particularly wanting to work on. So we're going to do vocabulary, acquisition and use. I'm also going to do choose grade because I want to make sure my students are working on the standard that we are working on in class. I want to make sure they're doing third grade work. I want to make sure they're reading third grade passages because that's the grade I teach. So I'm going to do vocabulary, and then we'll click third grade. And then the number of needs work skills. So the more skills you choose, the more time the test is going to take. I just kind of start off with one so I don't burn my kids out. You can name this anything you want. Vocabulary 1 if it's your first test. You can also, if you are working with students with IEPs, you can make that audio available to that individual student. But then you just click assign locator, and it's as easy as that. The student will go in and take the test. And I have a video that shows students how to log in and take their test as well. Now, if you want to see who's kind of ready for resources, who has taken tests, you can click on ready for resources. And you can see that I have students that are ready for different resources in realistic fiction. So you can view the student. You can also see resources that are available. So you can add new resources to that student. So if you want to click on literature, it will show you the different areas that they have different resources available. So you can click on that resource, and the resource will actually be assigned to the student. So we're working with realistic fiction with this one. And if you see that they did well, you can, go up to the next grade and just kind of see what kind of resources might be available there. So you can add different resources to the student, and the student can go in and do those resources inside the MAP site. So it's a pretty cool little website. I'm anxious to see how it works out in my win sessions. But we're just kind of getting started with that right now. If you have any questions, you can give me shoot me an email, give me a call, whatever you need. But thanks for watching. Bye.